Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. This is Brandy of Sunshine Plans and Stickers. In this video, I am working on my journaling, my creative journal for the 6th through the 12th. And what I'm showing you here is the kit that I am using, and this kit is from um, Brianna Nicole Designz. Just so cute. I love the colors in it. It's got lots of decorative elements to it. It's got lots of functional elements to it. It's got washi. It's got icons. It's got boxes. It's got washi strips, the little header strips that I'm showing you now. Lots of different things in this kit. And so I decided to use this for my journal this week. So I'm gonna put the days of the week up there. And yes, I know they come out crooked, but hey, it's my creative journal. It's okay. Um, the colors in this are so neat. Um, Brianna Nicole Designz, you can buy just a couple of the pages. You can buy the whole kit. She has got so many different kits with so many different colors and themes. It's just really, really, really nice. Uh, for me, the problem with buying the whole kit was too many choices. But anyway, so I'm using some numbers that I created in my Etsy shop um, to redate the top. And these actually fit perfectly in the space that was there. So that was kind of a happy accident that worked out really well. So I'm going to put the Hello Weekend on the weekend, and I'm going to use some of the decorative boxes to put on the side. Those little slippers I just thought were so cute, the bunny slippers. Okay, so now what I'm doing is sifting through all of the different choices. Again, I think I should have just pulled out a couple of sheets that I wanted to use, like pre-planned a little bit better, instead of trying to search through everything because it was just a little overwhelming. I couldn't decide because everything's so cute. So I picked a header box and some of the decorative, sort of decorative boxes, functional but decorative, because they're not just white. They have a pattern or they have a little bit of coloring inside, which makes them a little bit different. But over in the sidebar in my creative journal, that's where I always put my gratitude. So I use the boxes for my gratitude. And then I took one of the washi strips and just put it up above the little slippers to kind of separate it out a little bit. I have these gratitude stickers that I got from Planner Kate a while back, and I've been using those for quite a while. So I put that up at the top. Finally had to get my tweezers because I couldn't get it centered correctly. But then we ended up getting it. So now I'm working on adding some decorative elements, adding the pictures that I like into the spread, kind of separating them out. I like this spread. I can't remember what the name of it is, but I will link it in the description for you. Lazy day or something like that, but it was about relaxation, being lazy, that sort of thing. So I will definitely link that for you in the description box below. So I've got some decorative elements, and then there's these three little cats on there that are so cute. But I decided to make like just a little cute little scene where they're by the pillows. So I've got one on top who's hanging out, just kind of chilling. And then I decided to put the one on the side leaning up against them, kind of leaning back, and then the other cat just kind of laying on them. So I pulled up the panda bears. The panda bears were just so adorable. So I decided to put those at the top of some of the decorative boxes. Now what I'm going to be looking for is more of the functional boxes. Even in my creative journal, I like to put functional boxes in there, or just boxes for me to write in when I'm journaling throughout the week. So I'm adding some of the decorative boxes to it, some of the glitter washi. That for me is the perfect glitter because it doesn't get everywhere. It's just printed on paper and you can put it there and it's not going to come off and get all over your hands or clothes or anywhere else. So that's the perfect kind of glitter, in my opinion. Um, so I'm just adding some more of the decorative boxes, some of the glitter, just trying to, I don't know, make it a little bit more interesting for me to write in as I go throughout the week. Again, so many choices because I bought the full kit and I just couldn't decide. And so, as you can see, as we go through the video a little bit, I start getting a little, okay, a lot. We'll say a lot. I start getting a lot sticker heavy on that left hand side. Um, I'll be honest, when I filmed this, it was really late. This was the last video that I was filming, and I just was going for it all. I was just gonna use all the stickers. Um, so that left hand side gets a little bit sticker heavy, but I do end up fixing it a little bit later on. So I've got some of the elements. The little computer I thought was cute. I can just put myself a little note there, maybe of something I watched on, Netflix or Disney Plus or some, whatever. Adding some more of that washi up above that decorative sticker, I thought really just kind of brought a little bit more pattern to it because it matched the box on the other side. Um, in Brianna Nicole Designz kits, there's all of these icons and words like laundry and lazy day and trash day and all, planning day. And they're in different sizes. That's what I'm pointing out here. And those make it really, really nice to put things into your planner. So now I'm wondering about those two boxes that look completely bare, which bothers me to have completely bare boxes, and I'm wondering what to do with them. So I decided to cut one of those little washi strips and put it up at the top, which I think looks good. So I'm kind of planning out what I need to do, where I need to add things at this point. I decided to pull in just some plain black boxes. I added a couple earlier, but I added a little bit bigger one now. Adding more boxes now. Again, it was late and I was like, I want all the stickers. So now I decide to stand up, take a step back and look at it. And this is where I look at it and go, oh my Lord, too many stickers.
Kind of got away from myself there for a minute, so I had to step back, take a look, and I think this looks a whole lot more balanced than what it did before. So I want to thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. And I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.